So if you don't already know, none of the brand new Galaxy S24 devices come with a wall adapter so you can charge up your phone. And you don't want to use any old power adapter to charge up these phones because you're probably not going to be charging up your phone as fast as possible. But good thing for us, Spigen makes some wall adapters, wireless chargers, and cables that work perfectly with the brand new Galaxy S24 series lineup. And if you guys end up wanting to pick any of these up, I will be putting a product link in the video description. So first up, we have the wall adapter, which is the Arcstation Pro. It's a 45 watt adapter that has dual USB Type-C ports, so you can charge two devices at the same time. And again, it's also going to charge up your phone super fast. It uses GaN technology, so it's 18% smaller than the regular Samsung charger. And it also charges your phone efficiently, so it doesn't get super hot while it's charging. It's also nice and compact, and it also has folding prongs so it doesn't get caught on anything in your book bag or your purse. Next up, we have the Arcwire cable, which is a dual USB Type-C cable that will work perfectly with the Arcstation Pro. It's a USB 4 Gen 3 cable that can do power delivery 3.1 at 240 watts, so you definitely know that your phone's getting the max amount of power that it needs to charge. The Arcwire can also do 40 gigabits per second for data transfer as well. And then here we have the ArcField wireless charger. This has easily become one of my most favorite wireless chargers that Spigen makes because it has two different modes you can use it in. One, you can fold it flat so it's easy to transport around, or you can also charge your phone like that. And you can also unfold it into a stand so you have something to easily glance at when it's standing on your desk. And since it doesn't come with its own power adapter, it works perfectly with the Arcstation Pro. So now that you know a little bit more about these devices, let's take a closer look at what they can do and how they work. So first off, let's take a look at the Arcstation Pro. As you can see, this little adapter is pretty compact. And again, it's got these folding prongs. So when you put it in your purse or your book bag or something like that, you don't have to worry about anything getting stuck, which is really convenient. It is made of all plastic, but it's got some really good weight to it. It feels nice and solid. And if you're not a big fan of the white, it also comes in like this baby blue and a black color. It's always good to have options. It's got the two USBs on the front here, and this little charger can output a max of 45 watts through any one of these USB Type-C ports. Now, if you're using two devices at the same time, of course, it's going to try to give each device equal wattage, so it's not going to be 45 watts. So if you want to charge up one of your Galaxy S24 devices as fast as possible, I would recommend just using one port at a time, but if you need to charge both devices, this adapter can handle it. So I'll plug in our device into my surge protector, and then we'll take a look at the Arcwire USB Type-C cable. So here is the cable itself. It's made of a really thick, nice quality rubber cable, and it's about 4 feet long. And like I mentioned before, it can do up to 240 watts. So you definitely know that your phone is getting the max amount of charge possible. And again, you can also use this for data transfer as well. It can do up to 40 gigabits per second. So let's plug in our Arcwire into our Arcstation Pro. And then we'll plug this into one of our devices and see what we get. And at the bottom of the phone, it's even telling you that it's using super fast charging 2.0. And as you can see, it's super fast charging the phone, and it's only going to take 20 minutes until it's fully charged. So now I'm going to plug in a second USB Type-C into the Arcstation Pro, and we're going to plug in our S24 Plus, and we'll see what kind of charging speeds we can get there. So it is super fast charging, just regular super fast charging. And now the Galaxy S24 Ultra has changed its charging speeds because now it's going to take 37 minutes until it's fully charged instead of the 20 that it previously mentioned. So now the Ultra has changed to fast charging, and the S24 Plus is now super fast charging. So like I mentioned before, it can accommodate two devices, but only one device is going to be able to take advantage of the super fast charging. Now let's take a look at the ArcField wireless charger. So here is the wireless charger itself. As you can see, it is nice and compact when it's folded up, and we also get a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable that is a pretty good length. It's probably about 6 feet. So like I mentioned before, the Arcfield wireless charger is capable of outputting a max of 15 watts. So no matter what charger you put this on, as long as it's over 15 watts, you will be getting the fastest speeds possible. So here it is in its folded up state. Again, it's nice and compact. It's got a really nice rubber feel to the top here, so it's going to keep your phone nice and scratch free. On the bottom, we also have some rubber pads to help keep it in place on your desk. We have a USB Type-C connection on the back here, and if you want to unfold it to use it as a stand, you just simply unfold it like this, and it stands up pretty easily, angled perfectly towards your face. And it uncovers this nice rubber piece on the bottom here, so again, it keeps your phone from getting all scratched up, and it keeps it in one place. And then to unfold it, you just simply lift it up and then put it back down. Super simple. I love this design. So now I'm going to plug the Arcfield wireless charger in with the cable that it came with into the Arcstation Pro. Plug this into the back. It does have a little LED that lights up at the front to let you know what the charging status is. Then if we put our phone onto the Arcfield, you can see that it does start to fast wireless charge. And I even have a case on my phones, and it still works perfectly fine with the Arcfield wireless charger. And then here we have the S24 Plus. Again, fast wireless charging. And then again, if you want to stand the phone up, you just simply lift this up just like that. And you can put your phone on the wireless charger, so now it's angled towards your face and immediately starts the wireless fast charge. And as you can see, we have the little LED to let us know that it is charging. And you can also use your phone in a landscape mode as well, so if you want to watch some YouTube or Netflix while your phone is charging, you can do that too. As you can see, it is fast wireless charging. And the Arcfield also uses intelligent safety devices, so you never have to worry about your phone getting overcharged or overheated. Spigen's definitely one of my go-to for power accessories because they don't cost a lot of money and they're built really well. And as you saw, they work perfectly with the brand new Galaxy S24 lineup. So again, if you guys want to pick any of these up, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.